Mayday, mayday, mayday.
Smoker, just gonna hold it out.
Alpha Kilo, we're now, and then the next inbound in the hold. We'll like it.
1 Alpha Kilo here. Syntax protect.
Boeing 737 MAX has been out of service for months now, and airlines they are forced to reschedule their flights. Other airlines they lease the older 737 so that they could be able to replace their 737 MAX. However, Air Canada won't be leasing the 737, but they will be paying Qatar to operate two routes on behalf of them with their A330s, meaning that Air Canada will be wet leasing planes from Qatar. Currently, Qatar has more planes than what they need for their services. Since these A330s they are not in use, Qatar will be operating them on behalf of Air Canada. These planes will be serving two European destinations from Montreal. The first destination will be Paris, then followed by Barcelona. As it stands, 24 Boeing 737 MAX that belong to Air Canada, they are part of those that have been grounded. The airline is lacking planes because they use their available planes to North American destinations. The A330s from Qatar, they are going to be coming with their own pilots and crews. When Air Canada announced that they will be wet leasing planes from Qatar, this came as a shock in the aviation industry. This is because Air Canada and United, they are partners, and United it is accusing Qatar of benefiting from government subsidies. Their partnership it is so unique because it is so hard to find such partnership in aviation. You can book flights from Montreal to Barcelona on United website, then later on fly on Air Canada's flight. On transatlantic routes, they are part of legalized oligopoly. Employees from United and Air Canada, they work in the same offices in Europe and North America. They are setting capacity, fixing prices, and even sharing their marketing of flights. They even share their revenue. So for United, it is not important whether customers chooses United or Air Canada for transatlantic flights. United makes money regardless of whichever flight the customer will be flying on. In conclusion, Air Canada leasing planes from Qatar, it is still a good business move from Air Canada and United because both of them they'll still be making money. So in conclusion, I'm going to be keeping you informed about this situation, and please make sure that you like this video and also please subscribe to Star Aviation.